accidentally made $7,000.
Bro, what's going on right now? What is these candlesticks? I'm closing. 7,000?
If this is your idea of trading, then you're in for a rude shock because most of these videos are fake. Let me ask you this question. If you could turn $100 into $1,000 in a month, would you tell the whole world about it and sell your system? The answer is no. Becoming a successful Forex trader takes time. Forex trading isn't glamorous, it's often quite boring and won't make you a multi-millionaire overnight. When starting, you're going to spend a lot of time reading, testing, practicing, and learning about yourself and how you react under pressure. To learn how to trade, you're going to need to open a trading account, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through opening one. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you what I do before entering a trade. Now, there are two types of trading accounts, a demo account and a real account. A demo account is a practice account. The money in there isn't real. While a real account, on the other hand, is an account you fund with your real money. Now, the broker I use and recommend is Okta. They've been reliable with over 12 years in the market. They have over 40 million accounts opened and are present in 180 countries. I like them because withdrawing money is fast and hassle-free. Now, to open an account with them, you need to head over to their website, which is www.oktaafrica.net. Click on sign up and fill in your details. You're going to receive an email from them. Check your inbox, open the email, and click on confirm. Now enter your details and click on create account. Congratulations, you just created a trading account. Now click on view dashboard. Here you can see your account details, learn how to fund your trading account with different deposit methods, and even trade via the web if you click on trade. But before I show you how to navigate the trading terminal, let me walk you through how to make a deposit. Now, this is important. Only make a deposit into your real account when you're ready to trade with real money. Go back to the dashboard and click on new deposits, and you can make a deposit using the following methods. You can make a quick transfer by clicking on instant bank transfer or by selecting Nigerian local bank transfer. That's if you're in Nigeria. Now, the difference is with the Nigerian local bank transfer, you will need to upload your ID card and a document with your date of birth. Verifying your account lets you withdraw money and access the Okta copy trade service. For the instant bank transfer, pick your bank, click continue, then make a deposit. And make sure you transfer the exact amount you stated. The account details for making your payment will be displayed on the screen. Now, one thing I like about Okta is that you can trade on your smartphone. The Okta app is available on the Google Play and the Apple App Store. You can also trade on a web browser or with MetaTrader available on PC, Mac, iOS, and Android. Now, if you decide you want to trade using the web terminal, it's straightforward. On the left side of the screen, there are shortcuts to make a deposit or withdrawal. There's also a shortcut to transfer your money from your trading account to your Okta copy trading account if you have one. Now, I made a video about copy trading, which allows you to copy the trades of professionals automatically. I'm going to put the link of that video in the description of this one if you're interested. This window shows the available currency pairs you can trade, and there are a lot of them. The window in the middle of the screen shows a currency pairs chart. You can change the chart by clicking on the currency pair. Click the sell now or buy now button to buy or sell a currency pair. You can increase the lot size by tapping the plus or minus button. Now, the web trading terminal is surprisingly loaded. You can set a price alert by clicking on this icon, which will notify you when the currency pair reaches that level. The info icon provides you with details about the currency pair. Next to it is the time frame. The FX icon allows you to add indicators. Indicators are tools used by technical analysts to gauge where the price of a currency pair is likely to go. You can draw trend lines by clicking on this pencil icon and selecting the trend lines. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see your margin, equity, and floating profit. At the extreme right is the space feed, which gives you news and analytics of your preferred currency pair. At the bottom of the screen, you're going to find your open, pending, and close orders. Now it's time to place a trade. But before doing that, here's how I trade. Now, I'm a technical analyst trader. Before I trade, I look out for economic events that might affect the currency pair I am about to trade. And this is where the space feed comes in handy. I also use Forex Factory to see high impact news that could affect the currency pair I'm about to trade. After doing that, I'm going to draw my trend lines, place pending orders, or even enter a trade. So guys, that's how to open a trading account and place trades. If you have questions, ask them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to see you guys with more content like this. Valor Reviews, signing out.